Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Thrustmaster T80 Ferrari 488 GTB Edition on PlayStation 4. First, connect the pedal set to the wheelbase using the included RJ12 connector. Next, plug the wheel's USB cable into an available USB port on your PlayStation 4. Make sure the wheel is set to PlayStation 4 mode before you power on your console for proper recognition and functionality. Once your PlayStation 4 is powered on, the T80 wheel will begin its automatic self-calibration process. You will see the wheel rotate fully to the left, then fully to the right, and finally return to its center position. This takes only a few seconds. It is crucial to let this calibration finish completely before you launch any game to ensure accurate steering input. With your wheel calibrated, launch your favorite racing game that supports the T80. Once in the game, go to the controller or options menu. Here, you can fine-tune settings like steering sensitivity, dead zones, and even force feedback if the game offers it. Experiment with these adjustments to find what feels most comfortable and responsive for your driving style. To ensure the best possible experience, always keep your PlayStation 4 system software updated to the latest version. Additionally, check the Thrustmaster support website for any available firmware updates for your T80 wheel. Updating the firmware can improve compatibility and performance. Finally, try your wheel with various racing titles to discover which games offer the most immersive and enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.